This week, a critical divergence in regulatory pathways is capturing the conversation in the MedTech world. The gap between the US FDA and the European Union for approving AI-powered medical devices is no longer a gap, it is a chasm. For years, the standard strategy was to secure FDA clearance and then leverage that success for a CE mark in Europe. That strategy is now failing. The core of the issue lies in fundamentally different philosophies. The FDA, while rigorous, often employs a least burdensome approach and is progressively open to iterative changes, even allowing for predetermined change control plans for AI algorithms. This facilitates faster market entry, with a strong emphasis on post-market data collection to monitor real-world performance. Europe, under the Medical Device Regulation, or MDR, presents a much different landscape. The scrutiny from notified bodies is immense and happens entirely pre-market. They are demanding unprecedented levels of transparency into AI algorithms, robust clinical evidence from diverse populations, and comprehensive explanations of data governance. We saw a clear example of this recently. A promising US-based startup developed an AI tool for early stroke detection in emergency rooms. After receiving FDA clearance, they sought a CE mark. Their European notified body, however, halted the process. The reason was the AI's training data was overwhelmingly sourced from North American hospital networks. The notified body argued it wasn't sufficiently validated for the diverse European patient population, demanding a new, costly, and time-consuming clinical investigation before they would even consider approval. This case is not an outlier. It is the new norm. It demonstrates a painful reality for innovators. You can no longer treat global markets as a sequence. You must have a parallel integrated regulatory strategy from the very beginning. The data you collect for your FDA submission might be insufficient or improperly structured for your EU technical file. This means device makers must design clinical trials and data collection protocols with every target market's requirements in mind from day one. Failing to do so can lead to crippling delays, budget overruns, and a significant loss of competitive advantage. Navigating this fragmented global landscape requires deep, localized expertise combined with a unified global vision. For any teams facing these cross-continental regulatory challenges, you can get in touch for strategic guidance by emailing info@pureglobal.com or visiting the Pure Global website.